Today I have a treat for you. What's in this box, you ask? Well, let me tell you, a long-awaited package.
Dad's Garage.
Pro fresh and now. What I have in this little box here is a special little thing, I like to call a new T3 T4 Turbo. And is she name brand? Oh, no. She's from the usual scumbags. Right from the flea bay, right from the Chinesium of Chinesium. Well, we're gonna open this up. That's not gonna work. There we go. I feel like this makes it better. All right on the top. Customer service card. Yeah, right. Brochure. How to install. Not for this project. Oh, we got some gaskets. Cardboard. This crap. Ah, no stickers. That's horse shit. There she is, boys and girls and everything in between. Look at that. Oh, our water jackets, our oil ports. Yeah, she's gonna be liquid cooled, this one. So the next phase of the project is to make sure that the old oil system is still functioning. I had suspected at the end of the life of the other turbo that it maybe wasn't working. I know that I don't like the placement of where the pump is now. It's located up high, meaning that I don't know if these pumps are self-priming. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much take this pump down. I'm gonna end up reconfiguring this whole oil system anyway. So I think what I'm gonna do is tear all these lines off, drain all the oil out, and we'll probably just start from scratch. And your eyes are not deceiving you. That is an old Coleman propane tank. All right, next we got to figure out the ignition system. And I'm just going to do what I did last time, and that was use a grill igniter. And I'm not talking about those red little clicker ones. They don't produce enough heat. You got to get one of these guys. This thing was like $8 from Amazon. You can get them from Home Depot or Lowe's in the grilling section. It takes a single AA, just one. Oh yeah. It gives you dual output. So at one end, I have the eyelets, and that's going to be for the spark plug and a little ground tab that I have. And then the other end is going to get plugged into the back of this guy. All right, now we're going to get the ignition hooked up. In the new combustion chamber I'll eventually build, it'll be a removable spark plug. Take to the combustion chamber chest. I don't know if she's actually lighting off. So the next phase of this project is to get all of this to mount up on here. The old turbo used to sit in this side, right inside here, with the turbo and the combustion chamber all together. Well, the new turbo's a little bit bigger, so is the flange, and the old method's not gonna work. All right, let's cut them off. All right, it's mounted up. Fuck, the thing is heavy. Damn sure gonna put up a fight too. Round two. Especially if I do an extra amount. Professional. All right, next what I want to do is loosen up the intake side because I need to be able to swing this up to position it to meet up with that. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to connect this to the rest of the plumbing because I don't have a 2 inch by 2 inch rubber flexible connection. It'll be here tomorrow though. I have to pull this off to the side, crank this guy over, get the intake on. As you can see, I've already swung this guy down. Boy, I'm gonna put a little bit of pipe tape on here. And this is to help get a tight air seal. The new combustion chamber design will be all metal. But for proof of concept, sometimes you just gotta go with what you got. That wasn't supposed to happen. Probably should take that last part as a hint to completely rebuild this, but nah. I'm gonna reapply the primer. Now it'll be better than new. Let's slide this back up into position. Keep that separated. And I'll keep this glued tight. Spread that other stuff around. It's probably not what you're supposed to do, but you're not supposed to make a jet engine with PVC in the first place, right? So, hey, thanks for tuning in to this week's video. In next week's video, we're going to be installing the radiators, the ignition system, and we're going to get some fire breathing down this motor. That's right, we're going to get it running. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing, ring that bell so you never miss an upload, hit the like button. Hey, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this motor and what I should do with it next. That's all for this week. Thanks a lot.